What's up, everyone?
And welcome back to the Speak Slow English channel.
I'm your host. Today, we're diving deep into 60 must-know sentences for everyday English. And trust me, this isn't just theory. We're talking real-life, natural English that makes you sound like a native speaker.
Exactly. We're going way beyond the basic phrases. You're going to learn how to express your mood using cool American slang, handle misunderstandings like a pro, and disagree politely. This session is going to instantly level up your speaking game.
You're going to learn exactly what you need to move from textbook English to natural English.
So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. You don't want to miss out on more content like this.
All right, let's jump right into it.
So let's kick this off with how we actually talk about our feelings in the US. No one really just says, I am excited. We say,
1. I'm super pumped for this. Or 2. I'm hyped. It means you're extremely excited and ready to go. We use pumped all the time.
That's right. A friend texts me about a party and I reply. 3. Oh, I'm totally pumped. Count me in. See how easy that is? It sounds so natural.
Now, on the flip side, what if you're feeling really tired, like completely drained?
You say 4. I'm totally wiped out. Or 5. I'm running on fumes. Wiped out is exhaustion. Running on fumes means you have zero energy left.
Like yesterday after work, I told my roommate, I'm totally wiped out. Don't even talk to me until tomorrow.
Chuckles. Been there. What about when you're just okay? Nothing special. You're not good, not bad.
We just say, 6, I'm chill. Or 7, I'm doing all right. Don't overthink it. It's relaxed.
Exactly. If someone asks, how are you doing? Just say, I'm chill. Just taking it easy today.
Okay, here's one for when you're annoyed or frustrated. Instead of saying, I'm irritated, you say, 8. That's driving me nuts.
Or 9. That is getting under my skin. Both mean something is really bothering you. For example, this slow Wi-Fi is driving me nuts right now.
And when you're feeling a little down or sad but not depressed, you might say, 10. I'm feeling blue today. It's a classic American phrase.
Very true. Let's talk about being productive and focused. We often say, 11. I'm in the zone.
Meaning you are completely focused on a task and don't want to be interrupted. Or if you need a break, you say 12. I need to take 5.
Take 5. That's slang for taking a 5-minute break. Short and sweet.
Okay, last 3 for this segment. If something completely surprises you, you say 13. I was caught off guard.
And if you just can't wait for something, you're super impatient. You're 14, counting down the minutes.
And finally, if you realize you made a big mistake, we say 15. I totally messed up. Simple, honest, and natural.
Now let's move into the office or any professional setting. We need to sound fluent but also diplomatic.
Absolutely. The first one is crucial for follow-up. 16. Let's circle back to that next week. This is a polite way to postpone a topic.
So much better than just saying talk later. Or, if you want to get an update on a project, you say 17. What's the status update on the Smith project? Status update is key business jargon.
And when you need someone's opinion or thoughts, instead of tell me what you think, try. 18. Could you weigh in on this?
Weigh in means share your thoughts or expertise. It's professional. Next, when you want to take responsibility for a task, show initiative. 19. I can take the lead on that.
That's excellent. Now, what if you are slightly confused or need clarification on a vague idea? You say 20. Could you flesh that out a bit more?
21. Flesh that out means explain in more detail. I use that phrase daily. And for confirming a common understanding, try 22, just to make sure we're on the same page.
That's the perfect transition. 23. We're on the same page is essential. It means you both understand the plan.
What if you have a difficult piece of news or a problem to deliver? You need to ease into it. Start with 24. I have some quick feedback on the presentation.
Use quick feedback to soften the blow. And if you need to politely decline an invitation due to time constraints, say 25. My plate is full right now.
My plate is full. Great idiom for being too busy. Here are 3 more professional power phrases for asking someone to collaborate. 26. Let's put our heads together on this.
For asking about project timelines. 27. What does the timeline look like for this?
And for saying you need time to research before answering 28. Let me look into that and get back to you.
That's a classic. Finally, 2 phrases for suggesting a simple fix. 29. We just need to iron out a few wrinkles. Fix small issues.
And if you think the solution is simple, you say 30. That's a low-hanging fruit, meaning it's easy to achieve.
Okay, let's get back to being casual. Let's talk about social settings and giving your opinion, especially when you disagree.
Perfect. Disagreeing in English is tricky. You don't want to be rude. Instead of saying you're wrong, try 31. I hear what you're saying, but I beg to differ.
That is so much more polite. 32. I beg to differ. Super useful. What if you strongly agree with someone?
You say 33. You hit the nail on the head. Or 34. I'm with you 100%. Hit the nail on the head means you got it exactly right.
Okay, here's some American slang for describing a person or situation. If a movie or party was great, it was 35, the bomb. Or 36, it was epic.
Epic is very common. If you're checking out a restaurant, you ask, 37. What's the vibe of this place? Vibe is short for atmosphere or feeling.
38. What's the vibe? That's essential slang. Now, for asking someone to explain something clearly, especially when talking fast, try 39. Could you spell that out for me?
Or if you completely missed what they said, 40. Sorry, run that by me again. Run that by me means repeat that.
That's a great one. Now let's look at 2 for being skeptical. If you think someone is exaggerating, you say 41. That's a bit of a stretch.
42. A stretch implies it's probably not true. And if you think someone is trying to trick you, you say 43. Are you pulling my leg?
Pulling my leg, another great idiom for kidding or joking. Let's finish this section with 3 phrases for general agreement or support.
Go for it.
44. I second that motion, meaning I agree with the proposal.
And for offering support, 45. I got your back, meaning I will support you no matter what.
All right, let's keep going with 5 more phrases for when you're stuck or confused. You might say 46. I'm hitting a wall.
Hitting a wall means you can't progress. And when you need to focus on the main point, you ask 47. Can we cut to the chase?
48. Cut to the chase, get to the point. Now 2 for wrapping up a conversation politely. You say 49. I should probably hit the road. Slang for leaving.
And 50. Let's grab a rain check. Slang for rescheduling. Can't do it now, but another time.
Okay, next set. Dealing with money. We don't just say it's expensive, we say 51. That costs an arm and a leg.
Or, if you got a great price, 52. That was a steal. A fantastic deal.
For praising someone who did a good job, you say 53. You knocked it out of the park.
Or simply 54. Props to you? Props is short for proper respect, a casual compliment.
55. It's not my cup of tea. This is a polite way to say you don't like something without criticizing it.
And for saying you are tired of waiting, 56. I'm counting down the minutes. We used this earlier, but it fits here too when you are waiting in line.
Okay, here are the final 4 unique sentences. When someone is speaking too quickly or confusingly, 57. I'm not tracking. I don't follow your logic.
When you want to check if a plan is confirmed, 58. Are we locked in for tomorrow?
And when you need to be honest about a big issue, 59. Let's address the elephant in the room. The obvious, ignored problem.
And the final must-know phrase to encourage someone, 60. Go ahead and take the plunge, meaning just do it, take the risk.
That's 60 powerful, natural American English sentences that will make you sound fluent overnight. Practice these.
Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the next one.